Hold my coffee. Oh, somebody beat me to it.
Hold on, I'm checking the gram.
John French, knack attack, baby.
What's up, brother? What's up?
Oh,
so check out this course of fire. Off the crapper.
What we got going on here?
So, you know, we're from Boston, so we're a sports town.
Yeah.
And you know, Red Sox, Bruins, Patriots.
Yeah.
And
all the garbage. Yep.
And you're sadly a Yankees fan. So when we were coming up with the course of fire for PSC this year, we came up with a very creative stage called Off the Crapper. Yeah. We thought, what better way to celebrate your love for your favorite baseball team?
Oh boy!
Than to fill it with the appropriate debris.
Yes. Hey. Impact. Impact. Impact.
Luca, is this the Evo?
Evo, yep. This is the new Scout Evo.
Fantastic.
Shooting some Scout sniper slugs today.
So I was supposed to hit the impact target on front? Top one, not the bottom.
All right. Impact. Impact.
Take it easy on Alzheimer's patients.
Foreheads. That's scrambled sniper.
Impact.
And pine.
Impact.
I was like, oh, you know,
Impact.
it's like, someone else is shooting with me.
Impact. Impact.
Stop moving, you bastard. Ah.
Great run, Justin.
Thank you.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Thought you were going to clear it, buddy.
I know. It wouldn't stop moving, man. And I knew I was running short on time. That's the time stage, so I risked it, took the shot. Cost me a point, but it's fine.
Cool. FX Panthera.
Yep.
Element Theo scope. What kind of projectile velocity?
So I'm using H&N 34 grain heavy slugs at about 1030 feet per second. So they're singing, man.
Thanks for the tip.
Yeah.
So it wouldn't be a shooting competition in the Northeast if you didn't have something lobster related, right? So here we have it, the lobster trap.
All right, stand by, engage.
Impact.
30 seconds.
Impact. Impact. Impact.
I hit it.
Impact. Impact.
1 minute.
Impact. Impact.
Impact.
Bolt open, move to the right side. 1 minute left, you got plenty of time.
Appreciate it, dude. Impact.
I can see that. Impact. Impact.
Bolt to the rear. Impact.
15.
Impact. Impact. Impact.
Oh. NAC 2024 PRS. Look at these sadistic people. Oh, how evil.
Engage.
Oh, there's these two.
Impact. 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 Impact.
What's Jeremy's last name?
Van Schoonhoven.
Was that
Schoonhoven. And
Impact! 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 Impact!
Hold it.
impact. 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 Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Stand by.
Engage.
Impact. 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 Impact.
time, take your time, take your time.
Potter, are you ready? Impact. Impact.
Woo! Another great run, Justin.
Thank you.